Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title: to improve blood donation process using data mining techniques. Our project abstract: blood is the vital thing for human beings because there is no alternative for replacing it. This makes it necessary for the presence of a system for predicting continuous behavior of healthy blood donors in blood transfusion organism. The aim of predicting behavior of donors is to determine and collect proper information about the blood donor, his health status and blood groups for providing future continuity to blood banks. As the urgent need of blood is rapidly growing, it is desired need to find the blood donor information properly and efficiently. It is becoming more and more difficult to extract the information using the conventional database techniques. So in this paper, we propose the solution for properly mining the proper and required donor information from large amount of blood donor database. It is necessary to analyze the blood donor database along with this information from blood banks, as it is useful when urgent need occurs. For retrieving the proper information from large database related to the blood donor, data mining is used to analyze the availability, number of donors and all related information. There are various different techniques and algorithms present in a data mining like classification, clustering, association, etc., which suits better for desired tasks. A data flow diagram. It's a starts related to the new or existing user. There is a new conditions mentioned in a new or existing user. If you are an existing user, it directly goes to the datasets loader. If you are a new user, it gets related details of a recipient, user details and user blood details they needed from the donors, and it can be stored in the user database. And after that, it goes to the datasets loader and it loads the donor blood details. The donor blood details consists the related donor details of the mail address and their details on the blood groups. There is a pre-processed conditions and it can be pre-processed the unwanted donor details and it can be stored in the pre-processed data servers. After that, there is a clustering of data related to the k-means algorithm. It mentions the distance between the recipient user details and the donor details. It contains the both user details related to the all blood groups. So the k-means algorithm can be used to calculate the distance from the donors to recipient details. It sends the related details to the recipient users to get the donor groups and the donor details. The verification can be done in the database related to the user's conditions of the recipient details, and the notifications can be sent to the certain donors from the recipient to get the bloods from the donors through web mail servers. The web database can be used to get access from the mail servers to send the notification through mail from the recipient. The details can be filled by the recipient to send the mail to the donors. Our project demo: to improve blood donation process using data mining techniques. This is our home.java. Click on it and right click on it and click run file. This is our home page for the to improve blood donation process using data mining techniques. Click on the page and it shows the datasets loading page. Click browse and choose datasets. So dataset for donors, it contains the donor details, names, phone numbers and the mail IDs and the place and the distance. can be inserted into database to separate it. It contains the names and the phone numbers and the mail IDs and the locations and the blood groups and the distance. This is our login page. First we want to register in it. Any of the user IDs and the names and the mail IDs age, phone number, password and the blood group and the location. Using the user ID and the password to log in it, and select the place which we are. Gives the details of the donor, details of the names, phone numbers and the mail IDs and the distance. And it generates the least distance of the donor using the k-means algorithm. I choose the mail IDs of the donor by clicking on it to send the mail ID of the details. Using the mail ID of the recipient and the password to log in it. And we want to fill the details to send the mail to the donor. After filling the details, click the send mail. It connect to the web servers of the database and verify the details of the recipient, and the mail can be sent successfully.